Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you the Razer Seiren Mini boom arm setup. First, let's gather everything we need for a smooth installation. You'll want your Razer Seiren Mini microphone, a sturdy boom arm, and any included adapters. Most boom arms use a 5/8" thread, so check if your microphone or arm requires a 3/8" adapter. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much quicker and more enjoyable. Now let's attach your Seiren Mini to the boom arm. Carefully unscrew the microphone from its small, original desk stand. You'll see a 3/8" threaded hole at the bottom. Most boom arms come with a 5/8" thread, so you'll likely need the included 3/8 to 5/8" adapter. Screw the adapter onto the microphone, then firmly attach it to the boom arm. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten. Next, we'll secure the boom arm to your desk. Find a sturdy edge on your desk that can support the clamp. Position the clamp so it has maximum contact with both the top and bottom surfaces. Tighten the clamp's screw until it feels completely secure and doesn't wobble. A stable boom arm is crucial for consistent audio quality and prevents accidental bumps. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly in place. Finally, let's position your microphone and manage the cable. Adjust the boom arm so the Seiren Mini is about 4 to 6 inches from your mouth, slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. This distance is ideal for capturing clear, rich audio. Route the USB cable along the boom arm's channels or use the provided cable ties to keep it neat. A clean setup looks professional and prevents accidental snags, ensuring your microphone is always ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.